Welcome back to Boating Journey. This week we are touring a Fleming's Yacht 58 at the Palm Beach International Boat Show. Named Sharon Ann after the owner, this particular boat was not for sale. However, first manufactured in 2015 and continuing through the present, the 58 model is highly sought after and averages about $3 million at the cash register. This loopable boat has a total LOA of 65 feet 9 inches, a beam of 17 feet 6 inches, and draws a draft of 5 feet. The air draft to the top of the radar arch is 17 feet. Accommodations include 3 staterooms with 2 heads, which sleep 6. Sharon Ann is powered by twin-man i6 diesels producing 800 horses each, with a cruising speed of 18 knots and a top speed of 21 knots. She'll outrun any bad weather you may encounter. Most cruisers, however, will choose the more economical cruising speed in the 7 to 10 knots range. Let's check her out. I'm Scott, and she's Allie, and this is our boating journey. Please take a moment to hit that subscribe button. We really appreciate your support. Boarding, Allie and I head directly up to the bow to get away from the show crowds. The port side includes a comfortable and covered walkway, high gunnels on the sidewalls, and a side docking door. Taking 3 steps up, we pass the first of 2 pilot house doors before coming across the Portuguese bridge. Continuing forward, we find 2 elevated windlasses for the twin anchors. I like that they're raised and not a tripping hazard. There are storage lockers to either side. Looking back, there's plenty of storage lockers built into the raised roof of the VIP stateroom below. Returning aft, we pass an additional side docking door, the starboard pilot house door, and another side docking door. And of course, to starboard aft, we will find the cockpit docking controls. From the cockpit, we enter the salon, and this is where the Fleming's attention to detail really begins to shine. The woodworking and cabinetry are second to none. As we move forward, we find a built-in full-size fridge freezer blending into the cabinetry to starboard. In the galley, there's a 4-zone induction cooktop, convection microwave, and a cabinet for an additional 24-inch oven, which these owners chose not to add. We also have a large sink and plenty of counter space and upper and lower storage. Back to starboard and next to the fridge is a sliding pantry with a heavy-duty latch to keep it closed while underway. Taking a couple steps up, we find the day head to starboard before entering the lower helm station. The helm station features Furuno electronics and throttle, dual thruster, and joystick controls. Check out the full specifications at the end. Behind the captain's seat, you can take interior stairs up to the flybridge. The flybridge offers a tremendous amount of seating and entertaining options. The helm station again offers the bulk of controls found in the lower helm station. Check out the full specs once again at the end. The upper aft deck is the parking spot for the well-kept Walker Bay tender. I swear, I don't think this has ever been in the water. There is also access to the cockpit ladder leading up to the flybridge. And if you're getting hungry, feel free to throw a burger or a brat on the grill. Now returning to the interior, let's check out the accommodations. The spiral stairs are located just starboard of the lower helm station. While Allie checks out the VIP stateroom, I'm going straight to the full beam primary stateroom. Once again, just admire all of the cabinetry and storage throughout. Since this is a privately owned yacht, we are not opening all the doors and drawers. The owners sleep on a queen island berth and can work at the vanity desks to port. The ensuite features a shower stall, electric toilet, and single sink vanity. From here, we'll move forward and past the twin berth bunks to port, before finding the washer and dryer tucked into their own closet across from the stairs landing. Across the hall, there is a shared head for the twin bunks in the VIP stateroom, including a shower, electric toilet, and a single sink vanity. The shared head provides direct access into the VIP stateroom with a queen berth and again, plenty of beautiful storage cabinets and hanging lockers. Another cool feature is the hydraulic lift to raise the berth and give you access to even more storage. As much as we admire Flemings, they will always be financially out of reach for us, unless of course we win the lottery. Or maybe they'll sponsor us and provide one for our loop trip after seeing this episode. Fingers crossed. And before checking out Sharon Ann's specs, here's a preview of next week's boat. Just a little different. And if you like this episode, please give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and ring that notification bell. We appreciate all your support. Until next time, see ya!